The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Pick up people where I come from. One more lady, don't come in Santi. Pick them up.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is Seriousskilla. Big up and respect to each and every one, you see? Now, the video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers, according to what has been said about this video on social media, is that this video shows off members of the Jamaica police force. You see me? They asked a person to go with them because it is said that the person is not from the parish of St. Elizabeth. You get me? So according to all my understand as to what has been said on social media is that this person is from one part of Jamaica, and this person went to another part of Jamaica which is said to be St. Elizabeth. But however, members of the Jamaica Police Force, JCF, or you could say Jamaica Constabulary Force, they asked the person to go with them. But there are speculations on social media out there about this video. Is what I'm saying to you. Some persons are saying that this person had ran from one parish to the next parish within the country of Jamaica because of the whole lockdown that had happened within a parish of the country of Jamaica, and that lockdown had happened because of the COVID-19, you see me? And some persons have other things to say as well about this video that is out on social media. Is what I'm saying to you. But however, please bear in mind that some of these things that I told you had not been confirmed to my knowledge to be the truth. But however, I am telling you according to how I understand as to what has been said about this video on social media. Get what I'm saying to you? And I present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it, and you can also tell me what you think as to why this person had been asked by members of the Jamaica Police Force to go with them. Alright, well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, I have one more video I just gonna show you right about now. It's just a quick update to keep you up to date and posted. I'm gonna know what going on in the country of Jamaica. Is what I'm saying to you. Yeah, and this video, according to what has been said about it on social media, is that this video shows of a situation within the place that is known as Linstead, that is of the parish of St. Catherine, that is of the country of Jamaica. And it is said that this video shows of groups of people within the place that is known as Linstead trying to get their business done, or things that they need to get done, or things that they are trying to do. You get what I'm saying to you? So according to how I understand it, is that this video shows of people trying to get things done, like go to the bank, go to the supermarket, go to the Western Union and other places within the place that is known as Linstead, that is of the parish of St. Catherine, that's of the country of Jamaica. You see me? Now, to my understanding about this video on social media, it seems as if, some things have been said about this video on social media because of the amount of people that had been seen in the video that shows of the place of Linstead. You see what I'm saying to you? And, some of the comments that had been made about this video on social media, the whole lockdown within a parish of the country of Jamaica had been mentioned, and even the whole curfew thing that had happened within the country of Jamaica had been mentioned, and even the COVID-19 had been mentioned also, you see me? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, right about now, I'm going to show you this video right about now so that you can have a better understanding as to what I'm talking about, and you can also tell me what you think, is what I'm saying to you. So for those who might not like to see crowded area, the following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, now take a look and observe.
How can I assist this? Look at the monogram. Come on, old people. Come on, viewers. Come on. Woo! Alright, people about 40 people are coming one time. I don't like them as anyone. Linstead town again. Yeah, stay right until the light below. This is I'm at the monogram now. Really? Yeah, man. I'm at the monogram now. monogram now. Share the live, people. More than 200 views, quick and fast. Share the live, share the live. Yeah. Once 200 yeah, quick and fast. Share the live. Monogram now. This is how the monogram is look.
All of them. All of them.
Eh?
All of them. This is all these giants.
Yeah. This is how the giant look. Look at. Jesus Christ. Linstead. This is Linstead. This is Linstead town. This is how the monogram look in Linstead town. Linstead town, alright? Share the light, people. This is Linstead town. This is the monogram. This is monogram line. Linstead. Not a good look. Eh? Where there? Monogram. Look at the program. This is monogram. Not a good look. Jesus. You couldn't manage it? Alright, Linstead town.
Shopping back to 50.
Woo! This is Linstead town, This is Linstead town, Market Street. This is this is Linstead town, Market Street. Oh jeez, Sci-Fi, the mask man. The original mask man. The original. Father Earl, go on. The original mask man. Yeah. Why? I don't even want to go open as a curve. Look, what the fuck with the skeleton? Oh, wow, skeleton cheap. This is the original. Look, this is the Linstead town.
Mask man there.
Mask man there. Put on your mask, put on your mask. Yeah, put on your mask. Yeah, mask man is here. Cheese and peas, look at the town. Oh, keep my eye belly there. Woo! Why? You see monogram, why? Yes. Yeah, you're on Dancehall right now. Yeah. Jesus! Lord God. Look on the line. The police, them are out here trying to organize it. Mr. Dixon, I see you putting in some good work, Mr. Dixon. Yeah. Look on the town. The line go all the way back on the side. Monogram. Jesus. Linstead sent catching this. Jano. Hey, my friend in the blue. Hey, my friend in the blue. My friend in the blue. I saw you here from 6 o'clock this morning. You don't get yours yet? I saw you here from 6 this morning in the morning. Jesus, please. No, sir. Okay. Woo! Alright, people. Just let me see what going on in the Linstead town. Look. Go back home. Western Union. Where's the first, sir?
The country I want that for 2 months.
What up with the country that for 2 months?
Where we pick up on the sofa?
Where's that? Western Union, look there, 2 sides. Western Union, 2 sides. So Western Union line start from here. But all the way back from Western Union, 2 sides. No sir, this is normal. This not a good look. Where? How well? I saw you here from 6 o'clock this morning. This is wickedness. I saw you here from 6 this morning. I come out here, I just come to work. Okay. No sir. What a crowd. Woo!
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only there so for keep you up to date and posted and make you know what go on. You see me? I'm just bring these 2 videos to you to give you a quick update and make you know what go on within the country of Jamaica. You see me? Yes, these videos are out on social media and I bring them to you so that you can have a look at them. You can also tell me what you think about these 2 videos. Alright? Yeah, so until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.